For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India registered 28,498 fresh cases in the last 24 hours. The country's overall COVID-19 tally stands at 9,07,645. The country reported 553 deaths in the past 24 hours. With this, the death toll in the country reached 23,727. In the wake of the surge in the COVID-19 cases in India, the recovery rate acts as a silver lining in the country. The recovery rate in the country stands at 63%. As per Union Health Ministry, around 5,71,460 people have been cured of COVID-19. As per the latest data released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the confirmed cases in India stand at 9,07,645, while the number of people who have been discharged stands at 5,71,459. The death toll in India rises to 23,727. Indian Council of Medical Research stated that over 1,20,92,503 tests were conducted in various laboratories till July 13th, and over 2,86,247 samples were tested yesterday. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Gujarat continue to report highest number of cases in the country. Maharashtra reports 2,60,924 COVID-19 cases and continues to top the list of one of the worst affected states in India. Parts of Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Pune have imposed lockdown restrictions in order to curb the spread of COVID-19. Maharashtra continues to remain on the edge of 6,497 fresh cases reported in the last 24 hours. The state has recorded 2,60,924 confirmed cases with 1,44,507 recoveries and 10,482 deaths. Delhi, the second hardest hit state due to COVID-19, has registered over 1,13,740 cases, while 3,411 people have died due to the deadly pandemic. Tamil Nadu has registered 1,42,798 COVID-19 cases and more than 2,032 people have lost their lives. Gujarat has over 42,722 COVID-19 cases and 2,055 deaths in the state. Last in the tally is Uttar Pradesh. The state has over 38,130 COVID-19 cases, while 955 people have died due to the deadly virus. India is the third worst affected COVID-19 country in the world after Brazil and the United States. Meanwhile, World Health Organization has warned of a worse phase of the pandemic in the coming days. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom warned that governments are headed towards the wrong direction. The WHO said coronavirus should be considered the world's greatest enemy. Globally, over 1,30,06,764 people have been infected with COVID-19 so far.